Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, today is another wonderful day. Hey, what you are going to hear today, you will not believe. But before we go deep, please, I want you to share this video. Let it get to Peter Obi and Hope Uzodimma because they are the main content inside what you are about to listen to today. The Biafra Prime Minister sent a message to these people. Let me not talk too much. I want you to listen to him and I'll be right back.
Good afternoon, fellow Biafrans all over the world. Good afternoon, one Nigeria morons. Good afternoon, those who are now disappointed after yesterday's court ruling, which we know. I want you to understand one thing. There is still room to join the Biafra liberation. The door is open for you to join, so you don't say, had I known. All of you who wrote petition against Simon Ekpa because of the delusional, imaginary president of P2B, what is your fate today? Are you going to ask for forgiveness from God? Or do you still want to wallow in your delusional state of Nigeria? The time is now. We've gone far. We've gone very, very far. While you were waiting for your scam P2B, we've gone far. P2B were never real. We told you that P2B is a scam. He was not real. First, you went into election contested against criminal. And then after that, you come back and start saying he was a drug dealer, he forged the certificate, he was this and that. What he did not fight during the primary election is a scam. What P2B did, what they used P2B to do, was to lure some of the moron Biafras, the gullible ones, into campaigning for one Nigeria, so that by the time it fails, just like it failed now, you will come back again, oh, Nigeria is not working again, and they will tell you, go and sit down. Is it because you lost the election? We refused. So if you come and put yourself under the Biafra Liberation Movement, nobody is going to say because we lost the election, because we never supported the election in the first place. Now the time is now. We need your support. Financially and
some
otherwise.
persons will disagree with what the Biafra Prime Minister said, while some will agree with him. You guys know that from the very beginning, the Biafra Prime Minister and some other Biafrans, they are not in support of the February 2023 presidential election. Hence, what happened to Peter Obi, they were able to laugh and said, we warned you, but you did not believe. You know, during that time, that was when they were planning to carry or to arrest Simon Ekpa in Finland. There were a lot of things that happened during the election where they say, they are going to arrest Simon Ekpa. They want to rendition him to Nigeria. He should come and join Nnamdi Kanu, his leader, and so many other things really happened. Even moving as far as calling a police for him in Finland. A lot happened that they were calling the embassy, reporting him just because he said he don't want to be part of the February 2023 election. But today, he's now reminding those people that were saying they should crucify him because of this election. So without not wasting much of your time, let's go to the message he sent to Hope Uzodimma.
To make sure we seal our land from the external aggressions. The external aggression from the terrorist government, the external aggression from the Islamic movement, Islamic State of West Africa, ISWAP. All we need to do now is to seal our land, and we need your support to do that. The government of Biafra in exile is working assiduously to make sure that our people did not go to IDP camp. The Biafra de facto government in the homeland is also making sure that our land is secured. So in the coming weeks, it is going to take an interesting turn, this Biafra liberation. So the question is, where do you belong? You want to stay to continue hoping on a failed state called Nigeria, or it is time you switch side? Biafra door is open for you to join. We're not asking you to go and wear military uniform or wear Biafra Liberation Army uniform. No, we have men, enough soldiers that have volunteered to fight for your future. Your future is not in Nigeria. Your future is in Biafra. Your future is in Uzodimma. Your future is in Arewa. Can never be in Nigeria. Nigeria is not a country, and you should know that by now. Hope Uzodimma. What we have done to you and to your family is back to sender. You know what I'm talking about. Igachago n'ije ahụ nata. Ana m watch gị mgbe ị na-aga ya. Igachago nata. Back to sender. Everything ahụ i mere ọ ga-anachigharị gị azụ. Ịma ihe m na-ekwu. So watch it and make sure you share this video and let it go to Hope Uzodimma. See ya na m gwara ya Hope.
In fact, this woto really enter. Hope Uzodimma, come and hear something here. Don't run away from something that is not running away from you. This this Biafra Prime Minister self. So my beautiful family, I don't really understand some things that happened at times. So at times, all these Ohaneze Digbo, they will switch in, they will switch out. They will say something today, tomorrow they will say another thing. Now, it is no longer Simon Ekpa terrorizing the Imo state. They've reversed the case by saying that the person that is killing their people is Hope Uzodimma. Hey! The Ohaneze Idigbo and its youth wing at long-head over Governor Uzodimma killings in Imo State. The youth has accused Governor Hope Uzodimma of killing. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine? And the insecurity challenge in the state. They said Hope Uzodimma is in charge of all the problem, all the insecurity in the state. This is the wind, that is the youth wind of Ohaneze Digbo, that is the youth version. These ones, they are so lively and they are following everything that is happening in the state. And they have come to the conclusion by saying that the person that is in charge of all these ups and downs, all this spying in Imo State, that the person is Governor Hope Uzodimma. Hey! Wonders shall never end though. We were thinking that they will say the person that is in charge is Simon Ekpa, is the Biafra Prime Minister, is the IPOB, but to our greatest surprise, they said no, that they have known the truth, that the person that is in charge of all the things that is happening in southeastern part of Nigeria, all the things happening in Imo State, that Governor Hope Uzodimma is the #1 architect. They say that Hope Uzodimma is the one they use access, is through him that all the insecurity is now manifesting in the state. Can you imagine? So what are they really waiting for before they make this thing so public and so openly? Because a lot of the Ohaneze Digbo still comes out the other day praying that whosoever that is accusing Hope Uzodimma, blah, blah, blah. And today, the youth are so bold, coming out to say that the person that is in charge of everything that is going on in Imo State is Hope Uzodimma. My wonderful family, what is your take on this? Please do well to drop your opinion in the comment section. There is nothing that anybody will not see. You guys see how Hope Uzodimma dress himself up to represent all the representable. Yesterday court hearing, we saw how Hope Uzodimma displaying himself there, and now the youth are saying that they are using Hope Uzodimma against them. Do you think this is real? There are a lot of people that have heard about this issue for a very long time. So all this type of issue is not even news. Today they will say one, tomorrow they will say another one, next tomorrow they will go and do another one. These people, they really have what they call mood swing. Like they change tomorrow, they change next tomorrow, they change every day. Today they will say this, tomorrow they will say another one. Imagine this message that the Biafra Prime Minister passed to Hope Uzodimma. Hey, how did you see this type of message? Do you think that more of all this message should be coming, or it is time the leaders, the governors sit up in southeastern part of Nigeria, when we dey really know the truth, when we dey know what their people, their followers really need. Anyways, guess what? I don't really know much, but I say no. I have to bring all the update back to back because progress the analysis here for you to analyze all the analyzable. That is why you have me. And now to this message from Biafra Prime Minister to Hope Uzodimma and to Peter Obi, this is the more reason you need to share this video, you need to like, and you need to subscribe to this platform if you haven't, as I bring all the update back to back. Thank you so much and bye-bye.